Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe billing with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Stripe billing using HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the billing section from the main dashboard. Once there, look for the option to integrate with Stripe. Click on Connect to Stripe to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to log in to your Stripe account. Enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, click on the Sign Up link to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete your Stripe account registration. Return to HubSpot after successfully signing into Stripe. Authorize HubSpot to access your Stripe account by clicking on Authorize. Ensure that the necessary permissions are granted for HubSpot to. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the HubSpot billing section. Now you can begin setting up your billing preferences. Define your currency, payment methods, and billing schedules according to your business needs. Set up your product catalog by adding the items you will be billing for. Customize your invoices by adding branding elements, such as your logo and business information. Explore the options for automated reminders and notifications for upcoming payments. Test the integration by creating a sample subscription or invoice. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the help documentation or reach out to support. Once everything is set up, you are ready to start billing through Stripe and HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.